What is this game? Why it says based on a true story. I am scared.
Don't be scared. It won't be that scary. Let's go and see for ourselves.
That's it, I'm more scared now.
There's nothing to be scared of. Carl, stop. Don't be a scaredy cat.
You stupid.
Hell.
Let's go.
This game looks so boring. It's supposed to be a horror?
I don't know yet. Maybe it's not horror.
Cute forest. Look those bunnies. What could possibly go wrong?
Look at what I'll do.
Sing, 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 sing. Way, it's like fresh meat.
What have you done with the bunny?
We gotta do something to survive. Oh, chop trees.
Friends, today we are going to be mining for
Why it's so dark?
Carl, behind you.
What? Why?
There's something behind you.
I'm out, man.
What is it? Stop trying to scare me.
I'm not lying. There was a deer with big fat eyes. Whatever. Let's work on our campfire.
Yo, is it?
What do you want, poor dude?
Nope. Wait, what?
We have to rescue them?
Yep. Dino Kid.
Oh no.
Time to save the Dino Kid.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's night.
I can see I have eyes.
But what the hell, boy? Yo!
Why are we eating wolf and bunny?
To survive.
Oh, let's go, that's class.
Whoa, hey! Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I found ammo. That means there are pew in this game.
Wow!
The Dino Kid is crying. We have to save him.
No way.
I can't see him crying like this.
Stupid Dino Kid. It's just a game.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
There's nothing horror here.
No.
Hey, yo, what the f?
Where is the monster?
The monster with big eyes.
What the hell? Come over here.
Thanks!
Now you can chop better.
Nokia axe.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! Are you serious, my brother? Oh!
Come back.
Mine!
Attack.
Oh my god.
Get him up, let him get up.
We pro.
What the dog doing?
Look what I built.
Nice.
We should go and save Dino Kid.
I'm panicking, Julian. What?
I think he's in there.
5 wolves and 2 people.
No.
5 wolves, 1 people.
How?
Because you will go there.
Oh!
Are you serious?
Listen, wait, bro. Hold on, stop. Just stop, bro. Oh, come on, bro. They jumping me! They jump!
Run.
You liar. You said 5 wolves. They are 6 of them.
I didn't count properly, sorry.
Fix your math.
I'm coming, Dino Kid.
Sing, 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 sing.
There are 5 wolves. Fix your math.
There we go.
Yes, sir!
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Don't cry, we're here.
Come to Papa.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bro knows how to build tents.
Enjoy with your Dino dad.
Carl, run.
OMG, the deer almost got me.
We have to find another kid.
Oh, hey.
I look beautiful.
Very.
This is how I enter my house. What's up?
They got weapons. That stupid Dino kid didn't help us.
He was a kid, not a police.
You're right.
1 hour later.
I got a Glock in my arm.
Wait. Stop right there, criminals.
Why did he run away?
Who?
The deer. Don't die this time.
Hello! Easy. Do it. Come on, kill me, I'm here. Go crazy.
That deer.
Go crazy.
Nope. Get over here.
That scared me so bad.
Yes, sir!
It's okay, kid. Bro this chest.
Oh my God! You picked the wrong house, fool! Hey! Thank you.
We saved 2 kids now.
2 more kids left to rescue.
Hold on.
Yum.
Chicken soup.
No.
Oh, I mean bunny wolf soup.
Bears.
I got you, Sam. Yes, sir. Easy. No.
Huh?
Oh my God.
I'm coming for you.
Get the hell out. Get out. Get out.
Only one of them left.
Yo, who the Huh?
What is this?
No way, what?
Spike? Hell, what the? Sing! What is that? Oh my God!
Yeah, boy.
Hey, yup.
Let's go.
We have to save the last kid.
Tripping, bro. Bruh. Oh, hell no.
Why are there so many? Run.
Why thunder? Thunder is bullying.
Bullying both of us. The health.
We tired of playing with you. Today, go down. Say goodnight.
OMG, this stupid almost got us.
Excuse me, what's the actual? Be gone!
I'm gonna do what's called a pro gamer.
Incoming!
Finally, we saved all of them.
Later.
Wait, is that all?
It's endless?
Now what? Camping in the horror forest goes crazy.
I will try to kill deer.
Come on over here. Come on over here. Now you flip me off.
Take it out.
He's after you.
Give me.
I don't want to go. No.
Hey, yo, what the? Huh?
Okay, so this time, we will reach 99 days.
I don't even know this game.
It's okay, we will teach you. It's easy.
Okay, let's do this. Boom, boom, boom. I love camping.
Until it's night.
Oh, look, a new guest.
What is that?
He's our friend. We met him last time.
Lovely guests love to hunt in the forest.
Hold on.
Come back, I'm scared. Guys, cancel camping. Let's go home.
Too late.
What did you just say?
We have to save for children's. We can't leave.
I do not care about the children. Where can we find them?
Huh?
Oh, look.
Wait a minute.
Alien.
Alien.
He could help us.
He left before you said that.
Night. I'm hungry. What to do?
Eat bunnies to survive.
What? Bruh.
Yeah, let's cancel this camping. Who eats bunnies?
Okay, wait. Eat this instead.
Okay, not bad.
I think bro is vegan.
No, I had KFC last night.
Stop it. Get some help.
Just eat them to survive.
Holy Jesus.
What's going on?
What is that?
Why the forest is green?
Não pule esse
Why the forest is green?
They crashed. Guys, let's go check them out.
Oh my God. Oh, hell.
What? Guys, I don't win the camp. It's dangerous.
You just chill. We got this.
I got you, fam.
Emerald! Diamond!
Oh my God.
Bro almost died.
They all attacked me.
Give him this. Okay, let's check out the alien UFOs.
I don't think you have any idea.
Dang, that looks good.
Let's go.
Jump.
I have good axe.
Easy. Wait, what?
Yo,
Wow.
Oh my God!
Hey, yo, what the? You stupid.
These kids. What happened to them?
I hate them.
What do you mean by that?
Bro,
Carl, that's not funny.
I ate all of them. Now they are disco partying in my tummy.
this dude is not serious.
Another one.
Prepared to die.
Whoa. Hey.
Run, dude.
Oh no.
Okay, run. Okay, guys. We are going to save the Dino Kid.
Okay. No.
Sing. Help! Police! Help!
Save quick, dude.
Now that's a lot of damage. Do it. Just do it.
I'm gonna do what's called a pro gamer mode.
You guys are noobs.
I got jumped by 2 wolves. Not my fault.
I don't care. Camping is still cool. I will try to survive 100 days. Oh!
I will just eat and watch.
5 minutes later.
Oh yeah.
So pretty.
My muscles are getting bigger. It's time to pump the muscles.
How are the aliens already dead?
Incoming.
Sing.
So easy.
These spears are kinda nice weapon.
Yep.
No. It's the gun.
Here we go.
I think he finally found his dad.
And his uncle, too.
You what?
Come to uncle.
Get out of here.
is your name?
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
You are the youngest person ever.
You finna die.
Yo guys, ray gun. Where does this teleport?
Boom. Yo, who the...
Nope.
You didn't have to cut me off.
Nope. Nope.
How we gonna open this?
Wait, what? Oh!
Take the guy. Shoot my souvenirs. Destroy that guy.
Another one.
I don't have gun.
I ran out of ammo.
Moo. I have ray gun.
Got you, homie.
Carl.
Oh my God!
What is going on?
I don't want to do this no more.
What?
His eyes are red.
Thanks.
Eat this.
Sandwich make me strong!
I will give you ray gun.
Oh, wow. Guys, I'll be right back. I can't wait for my Dino Nuggets to eat at my dinner. See ya.
I hope you will come back.
Idiots later.
What are they celebrating?
I don't need it. I don't need it. I need it.
What is he doing in daylight?
Getting vitamin D.
Do it! Come on, kill me! I'm here!
We eat.
Well, I'm out, man.
I always come back.
Yo, guys, I'm back. Help, why am I dead?
Please wear some armor.
Bro, what did you guys do to this camp?
Making luxury camping.
Funny.
Stay here. Don't go out of this camp.
What?
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening.
Let's go!
Eu não posso.
Looks like you haven't eaten for a month. Stop copying me.
Okay, guys. We are going to raid the Diamond House thing.
Huh?
Take that out as well. Think of a one shot. Take him out with a grenade. Destroy that guy as well. another one. Finally!
OMG.
Guys, the deer is gonna be hungry tonight.
Did the deer tell you?
See information.
You're so funny.
Bro is not lying.
No.
Oh, hey.
Come here, George!
No, don't do it.
Now, wait a minute.
Bro,
Whoa, hey.
No, stop. What are you doing? What are you doing?
That's the gunny, Jake.
Bye, have a great time.
Child. Anyway, so.
I mean, it's all right. Like,
5 nights at Team U.
why are we building?
Tall.
This game is scary. Don't fart.
Okay.
Hello.
what?
Carl, is that you?
Who are you?
Bro, it's me.
You are not quick. You are human. And he's dinosaur.
You also look human.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I feel scared.
Same.
What kind of place is this?
Wait a minute.
Wait, someone's missing.
That white ducky is hanging around here.
They move.
Okay, we are cooked.
No, God!
Oh my God.
He vented.
I got you.
Sorry, I had to call you at night. I think I saw him messing around in the kitchen. You know how the animatronics are at night? The animatronics have been behaving the same way. And, listen, one last thing. Put the keys and put everything back as it was. Good luck.
All that yapping and I don't know what to do.
Let's find the kid dinner.
Shut up, Big Bad. We're not here for dinner. We have to find a key.
I said let's find the kids in dinner place. Let's look for key.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, yo, what the?
Why did he run like that?
The dog.
Bro? Stay back.
Where's that purple thingy?
Oh, hey.
Oh, hi, Grimace.
Let's get the key. I I got the key.
Boom.
Dang, that looks good.
Got him! Ha!
Closet key.
Let's go.
We have to find which door it unlocks.
Wait, what?
Great, no power.
The power has been gone.
Yep.
Patience. Don't do anything stupid.
Oh my God! What the?
Bro got the jacket back.
This animatronic always gets me.
Yo, bro, come over here. Come over here. Boom. Bruh.
John, you don't have to do this. Look, I'm sorry for keeping you.
Huh?
A code.
Alright, let's move out.
Wow, this place looks amazing.
It's basement, bro. What's amazing about that?
Oh!
Here we go.
I'm not alone, and I need help.
So sad.
Is that who recorded this?
I think so.
Um dia você.
Whoa, hey, hey.
They trapped us.
Let's go. What is that?
Looks like a potato.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no. Come here, George! Go.
I will go and get the key.
Catch me if you can.
Listen, wait, bro. Hold on, stop, bro. Oh. Yo, I'm drunk.
Hey, that's pretty good. Nothing can stop us now.
Yo, that's sick.
Come out, wherever you are.
I wasted my Robux.
Yo, who is it? Know your place, trash. I'm really mad.
Hi.
Let him out.
Now, wait a minute.
Fight.
Hey! Stop that. This music isn't normal. Scary.
Let's get out of here.
What is this?
Wow.
New place?
Is that the Chuck E. Cheese guy? making me cry.
Shut up!
What the dog doing?
No, don't do it!
10 seconds later.
Stop killing my friend, you potato.
I believe I can fly.
This ugly face always gets me.
Do it! Do it!
Come on, kill me, I'm here!
Go, go! Here we go!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I found manager's key.
Yes, sir.
Get the hell out! Get out!
Can you move aside, Mr. Rat?
The robot coil sound.
That's too easy! Hey, what happened? Whoa, 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 hey, 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 hey!
Did I just kill my own friend?
Are you serious, my brother?
Let's go.
Huh?
He looks happy.
Oh my God.
My ears.
Well, I'm out, man.
I didn't see this guy move even a bit.
You're making him move. I have the exit key.
Easy. What? Oh, scary. Shut up, man. No!
Bro is still here.
Stop. Let me go.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening.
Yes, sir!
Now after winning this, we are going to play the story mode.
All right.
Oh, hello there.
Hello! I recorded this voice message to welcome you to your first week on the job. Can you clean up some of the dining tables tonight? Good night.
We need to clean the tables.
I hate this place!
That scared me.
Sorry. Stupid grimace.
Wait.
Bro, what was that stupid move?
Well, I have a bad feeling about this. It's going into some.
Perfect. Yoink. Boom. Get your ass back here, boy.
What's up, Grimace?
What is that?
Am I look nice?
No.
I'm a... Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no.
Why your head is spinning?
Oh, my neck!
What's up?
Grimace is such a camper.
Let's go! What the hell going on up in here?
He is stuck on a vent.
We are stuck.
Go Chuck E. Cheese.
Don't open. 6 a.m. Let's go.
There we go. Yes, sir.
One power outage, and we are done.